Good morning, everybody. Success, success, success. Wow. This is the 7 quarts of my hamburger stew that I canned yesterday. And as you will see, if I can pick one up here, and that, absolutely beautiful. I love to see all the colors in here. And Kati here, I guess she likes it too. She's got the room in the kitchen here, and she actually has been with us the longest. That's the first animal we got here when we were living in San Francisco. But just wanted to show everybody everything sealed. That little ring here you see at the top is kind of where the fat accumulates, that is left in the meat and that, and kind of in it as it boils, it rises to the top there. Nothing bad about that at all. If you've ever opened a can in the United States of what they call Dinty beef stew, you will see sometimes that little layer of fat close to the top. So I just wanted to let everybody know. Success. We now have 7 full quarts of hamburger stew ready to eat. They all sealed excellently, and that they were in the cooker here are for 90 minutes. 90 minutes, and that assures that any bacteria that may be in the meat and that is taken care of for good. And that, so everything at this point looks good. Just wanted to report to everybody. Had a couple questions when I was doing it yesterday to let them know that how it came out and that, and success. And it's good getting back into the habit of canning again. I really missed it over the last years, and good to be back doing it again. So to everybody out there, wow, success. And hopefully we'll continue with our success, and we'll try different things. I really want to do some chili. Oh gosh, there's just a whole line of things I really want to do and try out, and that, and especially maybe some beef, and try to can some beef and just can some regular hamburgers. So until then, we'll say goodbye. Thanks for viewing, like and subscribe, and we'll be back with you.